In this tutorial, we will learn about text box control in VB6. So let's start the tutorial. First, create a new project. Here, a new project window appears. Then, here is the text box control. Double click on it. A text box appears. By default, the text of the text box control reads text1. So here set it to blank. Then you can resize it using your mouse. Then take another text box and put it right below the first one. Then set the text of the second text box to blank also. Our aim here is when you type in the first text box, whatever text is there should be showed in the next text box. So double click on the first text box here. All the events that are associated with text box are shown here. There are a number of events like change, click, drag drop, another is got focus, key press, and so on. But here we are using only the change event. Text box has a property called text. That is, when we type in the first text box, text should be appear in the next one. That is text to dot. Whenever you want to access a property in VB6, precede it with a dot and a whole bunch of properties will be shown. Text is equal to text1 dot text. Please keep in mind that VB6 is not a cache sensitive language compared to Java and C. Here, when we change the text in the first text box, it should be appeared in the next one. So press 5 to run the program. Here, type in the first text box. Here, you can see that as we type in the first text box, text is copied into the second one. So this tutorial was about change event of a text box in VB6. Thank you.